How many of you are confident you can do the demonstration of at least one power? Raise your hand.
Please raise hands whether it is for body scanning or for the remote vision.
Now I know I need to break your SDHD. Powers I have given, it's all about now breaking the SDHD. SDHD is nothing but arrogance. Nothing. Okay, I'll have to work.
Hello.
Where your arrogance need to be surrendered to me. See, they should know, if I am successful, the pride is for Swamiji. If I am a failure, blame is for him. Why should I bother? There's a beautiful story. Vishnu was lying on the Vaikunta. Mahalakshmi was pressing his feet. Suddenly Vishnu got up and started running. Mahalakshmi thought, did any demon attack Vaikunta? Even then I have never seen in my whole life Mahavishnu running like this. And she was also chasing him and asking, "Arey, tell me, why are you running? At least tell and run. Which demon is attacking? I don't see any demon, any attack." Then Vishnu, without reducing the speed, the same speed running, and he's telling, look there, look there. There, the Prahlada was trying his small hand and trying to show in which pillar Vishnu is there. The father is asking, Hiranyakashipu is asking, hey, in which pillar your Narayana is there? In this pillar or that pillar? So the Prahlada, small kid, he's only a 5-year-old kid. When Narasimha Avatar happened, he's only 5 years, not even 6. 5 running. So that small baby is raising the hand and trying to show. Narayana says, whichever pillar that finger is showing, I have to get into that pillar. I can't afford to let my devotee down. It boils down there. And I will not let you guys down. There is so much of self-protection, ma. So much of arrogance and self-protection. It is arrogance. Please understand, the word is sharp, but that is the truth. Ability to throw. If I am successful, praise goes to him. Everyone knows I have not done anything. 21 days before I am same Bondu only. And everyone knows. And if I am not successful, blame goes to him. If I am successful, praise goes to him. Come on, let me put him in risk. No, that is the attitude. That's the only way you will move out of you. Otherwise, you are so protective of you. Actually, if you never get into the stage and start the demonstration, forever you will live with the idea you don't have that power. That is where the whole problem is. Because you plan and cognize you only 40% based on your thinking. You cognize about you 60% based on others' conclusion. So now the fight between this 40 and that 60. So I can neither take this side nor take that side. I have just put nuclear bomb for both. I have to break both. I'll do it. Initiation is play field. And now breaking your arrogance means making you open up and breaking your SDHD. See, when you are catching, when your intuition is showing, in a subtle way you get aligned. Catching what kind of alignment you are in when you are manifesting and getting back to that is what I need to do now for you guys. See, when you are manifesting the powers, you are in certain space, like your back will be a little stretched, or certain kind of a kundalini flow will be there. Something will be going on in you. Recreating the same just by remembering. not with any technique, just by remembering. That is what now I have to do to you guys. Then you will get the confidence. It is not even confidence, it's more like a challenging. I can't demo, I can't manifest powers. Let me see what you can do to me. Anyhow, I'll put you in a situation where you have to manifest this power for survival. Then you will naturally manifest and you will get confidence, that's all. I'll put you somewhere where you are completely lost. Unless you use the extraordinary powers, you will not be able to get out of the situation. Then you will be forced to use, then only then you will be able to get out of the situation. Then second time onwards, you will not ask me to put you in that situation. No, better let me manifest powers. Don't do this anymore. It'll all become all right, that's all. Come on, you do your game, I'll do my game. Lot of fun for me. Now, sometime I think I should tell you this story. At one time, in 1999, when I sit with closed eyes, I just know I am Sadashiva. But when I open my eyes and start operating, there is one small stone kind of a thing in front of my Anandagandha, which will always hit. So I tried to break that stone again and again, means manifest Sadashivatva through this body also. At one point, it became like almost, why to then have this body? Let's leave the body, because I know if I leave the body, I will be in Sadashivatva. Unnecessarily, why struggling? I was in the banks of Narmada doing tapas. I decided to leave the body, and started walking into Narmada. When water came up to the neck level, I closed the eyes and started walking. Started walking. Suddenly one rock hit at my knee and I fell. When I got up, I saw I was on the other side. When I turned, I saw that Narmada is actually considered to be a small girl. She just stood up from the river and laughed at me. And I saw that stone was missing. That's all. That stone was missing. Means that blockage was missing. So even I have to put myself in some situation where manifesting Sadashivatva becomes survival. Only then I myself manifested. So that is the only way you are going to manifest, I think. Now, sometimes, even if you know you have everything, you do not want to shake the status quo. You are afraid people will make fun of you. You went 21 days and sat with that Swami, jumped around. I saw your photographs all over the Facebook. And that stupid big mala and big bindi, Rudraksha and everything. Now you are coming and claiming you have extraordinary powers. You are afraid of people laughing at you. But I tell you, people will never laugh at you if you decide and start manifesting. I tell you, I will not let you down. Anyhow, I'll do the job a little more and then I'll make it happen. I have to. You manifesting power Whether it is survival for you or not, it is survival for me. Because that is the only reason I am surviving. I am alive. Making you manifest is my responsibility more than your responsibility. Come on.